Hey guys, it's Gamer Girl, and I'm gonna show you how to do a video on. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. It's like a really cool iPod stand. It's kind of boring, but if you like, I don't know, bedazzle it or something, it works cool. But let's get started. Here is a cassette tape case, and I'm pretty sure if you ask your parent for one, they'll have one. Maybe. If not, you can go to like, I don't know what store, but you can go to a store and they're like probably like 10 cents. I don't even know. But first you're gonna open it and you're gonna take out the cassette tape. You don't really need the cassette tape, so you can just set that off to the side. And take out the paper. You don't need that either. This is simple, fast and easy. All you do is take it out, you open it, like see here it's closed, and then you open it over. Open it as far as you can go, it'll stop, and simple and easy, stays up. You can close it so it's, that was loud, you can close it so it's like portable or something, and maybe you can like store stuff in there, I don't know, but yeah, you just leave it open, and this works well with iPods and iPhones. But if you put a plain iPod in there with no case, it might fall in. I had troubles with that. Doesn't stay up. But if you take a jelly case and you put your iPod in the jelly case, it works really well, because then you just set it in there and it won't move. Even if you like hit it around, it's not gonna fall out, because the jelly makes it stay. Well, I don't know why. Oh, because it's probably just like, yeah. And then see, you can just like open it and you can like play music or any of the, you can watch videos. There's no videos on here. It's really great for watching movies and listening for music. Also, if you wanted to, you could charge it and be a really cool, a really nice device thing that you could just take your Apple device and you can plug it in. And my charger is messed up, but yeah. And then see, it works for charging, and you can just leave it there and you can charge. And I don't know why it does that, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like at the bottom, and have a great day. Bye.